was a big plant in a very tiny pot. So we decided to transfer it. Into a bigger pot so the roots have more space to grow. What we're going to do, we're mixing it and moisturizing it with water. So what we're doing, we're pouring the water in here and mixing it up. So we're not filling it all the way up to the top or else this doesn't have room to grow. So what we're doing, we're filling it a little less than halfway. And then so what we're going to do, we're going to transfer this here, like gently shake it out and then pour it in here. And then after we do that, you see these wood chips, we're going to pour more of that in there. So these are wood chips. They let the water stay in there. So it's moisturized. So my dad's gonna shake it out. So here's the stick that holds it up. And now we are going to shake it out. There. And now you see here all the roots are squished together from that small pot, and that's why we're transferring it to the big pot, so it has more room to grow. So then we're gonna. This is hot water?
Yes.
Soil on the bottom, so now we're just gonna gently put it around. And here you go. That's how you make